So guys, in this video we're going to be unboxing the original Apple USB-C 20 volt power adapter and the Apple USB-C to Lightning cable, 1 meters. So side by side, let's do the side, what it says, the back part. So which one should I open first? By the way, guys, tomorrow I need to wake up very early for my marathon, like ideally at 4:30 a.m. It's now 10:34 p.m. But I'm taking this video because I need my food to digest, my boy. Let's start unboxing this USB-C 20 volt power adapter. It says to open from here, so here you go. Here is the item itself. Apple Inc. 1 Apple Parkway, Cupertino, California, USA. So it comes with this, like, what do you call this? Like wax paper feeling. A thin version of wax paper. Let's peel it out. Now it feels much more smooth. Designed by Apple in California. Okay, 20 volt. Compared to normal power adapters, this feels pretty darn good, you know? It's like Apple, my boy. Is it worth it? I don't know. If you can afford it, just buy it. Alright, that's number one, the power adapter, and now let's unbox the USB-C to Lightning cable. As always, follow the arrow. I can't read Chinese. After those two papers, we can open this. So how do you open this? Okay, here's the cable. The funny thing is, like, this, I bought it for this phone, my Apple phone, iPhone X. But I'm recording my video with it, so I will not be able to show it to you guys. So see you in another video. Bye-bye. I hope I will be able to run my 10K marathon tomorrow with little sleep problem.